Alright guys, Eric, Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you. And I'm beginning at Barrett Jackson right now. This is day 3 for me, it's Friday. And behind me here, I have a very, very rare, very, very special Mercury Cyclone. Check it out.
And today's feature is a true survivor, a one of one owner 1970 Mercury Cyclone Spoiler that's lived its entire life under one roof and under one name. What you're looking at here is a matching numbers Super Cobra Jet 429 backed by a Toploader 4-speed and a legendary W-code Super Drag Pak 430 rear end. That's about as good as it got in 1970. Pure Ford muscle, built for the strip but kept perfectly preserved. This car was a sold order build, purchased brand new by a Ford technician out of Andrews Ford in Rockwall, Texas. Not a demo, not a program car. He ordered it in special order black, a color not even available from the factory that year, making it one of only 19 cars ever finished in this exact spec. And here's the kicker. It's never been restored. It's still wearing its original interior plastic wrap, the dealer floor mats, and the original window sticker that's been sitting in the glass for over 5 decades. It's been tucked away in the same garage since 1975, kept covered and maintained in running condition. This car still carries its original build sheet, factory invoice, handwritten service log, and even the dealership key tag. Every artifact of its history still intact. The owner made a few period-correct upgrades back in the day. American Racing 200S wheels, Goodyear Arriva tires like those found on the Pantera, a Holley 1150 carb and Shelby intake manifold, and a full bank of sun gauges mounted across the dash. The original carb and air cleaner are still with the car, stored safely alongside those rare extras. This Cyclone has only 4,459 miles on the clock, and it shows. Every nut, every bolt, every panel feels frozen in time. Even the Goodyears are day-coated and still display like new. The car was professionally repainted back in 1971 after minor blemish, and that's it. Since then, it's been a ghost, waiting quietly for this moment. For me, this isn't just a muscle car, it's a time capsule. A black-on-black, Super Cobra Jet powered snapshot of an era when Detroit built legends by hand. This Cyclone Spoiler isn't just rare, it's irreplaceable. Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscle Cars with Eric.